On Tuesday night, the Chinese Culture Club held an event highlighting the ancient tradition of shadow puppetry. The evening featured a brief video giving the history of shadow puppets, as well as a hands-on craft where attendees were able to color and construct shadow puppets of their own. Elle Zhang was the main instructor of the Shadow Puppets event. A visiting scholar from China, she told me more about the history of the craft.
The shadow puppet, it can trace back to like 2,000 years ago. Originated from the northwest China. It is a very old heritage for Chinese culture, and it's mainly played on the big events like wedding, funeral, or festival celebrations.
One of the attendees was Keaton Pratt, a business major, who says he enjoys the experience of making shadow puppets for the first time.
I've had a great time. It was good learning about the culture and making the puppets. It was really fun. I was moving a little slow, but I got the hang of it.
The Chinese Club next event will take place in March. It will be a culinary event featuring fried rice. Seth Feiner, TrojanVision News.